1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a couple of sketchbooks that I want to share with you guys, but before we start I want to give out a shout out to my friend Giovanni. He has recommended a lot of videos for me to make in the future, and he will also be receiving a surprise gift. So shout out to Giovanni, and thank you for giving me these ideas. So we will start off with my personal sketchbook. I say personal because this one is my school sketchbook. So I started this off in 2018, and I just didn't really know what to paint. I didn't really have inspiration, so I just started referencing stuff from, what's it called, Pinterest. So these are just pretty, I call them lame, because they don't really have many detail or purpose or meaning. So these are just pretty quick ones, and they range from like concepts, so they're pretty random. They don't really have a theme. As you can see, the theme is up here, types of homes, but that's for 2019 when I actually started painting for real. So I have this one. I'll try to zoom in for you guys. I'll stop talking and let you guys listen to nature. I'll just flip through them. You guys can figure out the story behind them. So some of these, like this one, only took a couple of seconds, but other ones took less than 15 minutes, probably even less. And that's the last one here. But pretty much this whole sketchbook just was practice to see how I could respond to painting under pressure, or how I would paint under pressure. So these are just some of the examples of things you can do when you have a reference and you're just trying to paint quickly. And I didn't really care for quality except for a couple of them. Like I think there's one of a farm that was my favorite. I really like that one. So you can, this one's the one I really liked, and I took a little bit longer on this one than the other ones. And you can kind of see that I took a longer time on this one than, let's say, this one here. You can tell just by looking at the lines. But then again, this style, like these lines, it's a urban sketching style, and that's what I've been going for in this sketchbook. So that's my personal sketchbook. For my school sketchbook, I have a similar sketchbook, same size, and because it was school, I pretty much have notes in here, but I will give you guys a quick little tour of that. So most of these are like thumbnails and notes and me testing out different art supplies, putting everything in detail of how I was gonna make certain things, more thumbnails, just me doing random stuff bored in art class. I've always finished my work earlier than everybody else, so most of these are nothing to be proud of. See, it's just notes. So the sketchbook in school, we just used it for thumbnails, notes, and the actual pieces that we did, we would submit to the teacher and then get them back at the end of the school year. So we were doing Inktober in school, but we kind of lost track because we had to do other things. So I only did like, the teacher let us pick which ones we wanted to do, so I only did maybe 4 of them. I did. My favorite one are these. I don't know, I just like the darker tones. And then we had some competitions we were able to join, and we would get a grading class, and of course if we won, we will get the prize. So these are just pretty random exercises. This is my favorite page. I also quite like this one with the bird. And we were practicing how to draw cartoon and then realistic. And some more thumbnails. And more thumbnails. And that's the end. I will be using the rest of this sketchbook for painting and more thumbnails. I don't really care about this one. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and enjoyed being in nature with me out here. Again, shout out to my friend Giovanni.
Flying high like the birds and the bees, and the sky with the songs and the trees, 'cause we're buzzing, buzzing.